Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing NeuroGum, a popular caffeinated mint that claims to boost your focus, energy, and mental clarity. But the big question is NeuroGum legit or just another overhyped product? NeuroGum is marketed as an energy and focus enhancing chewing gum and mints containing caffeine, L-theanine, and vitamins like B6 and B12. According to their official site, neurogum.com, it's designed to give you a clean energy boost without the crash or jitters you might get from coffee or energy drinks. On Trustpilot, NeuroGum holds a 2.7-star rating from 84 reviews, though interestingly, 71% of those are 5-star reviews, showing a divided opinion. Some users love the fast delivery and say it helps with focus even if the taste is just okay. One review mentioned it was there in 4 days, or it was here in 4 days, started today, tastes okay, but anything good for you shouldn't taste too good. On the flip side, there are users who say the gum loses flavor quickly and didn't notice any real effect. Others call it a placebo, criticizing the packaging and refund policy, especially for purchases made through TikTok promotions. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and research. For the final verdict, NeuroGum could be worth trying if you want a convenient low-calorie way to get a caffeine kick without drinking coffee. The blended coffee and L-theanine might provide sweeter focus for some users. But if you're experiencing a miracle energy booster, temper your expectations because some users report little to no effect. Given the mixed reviews and moderate rating, it's not a scam, but it's also not a magic fix. If you decide to try it, buy directly from official sources and start with a small amount to see how it works for you.